This is Maxwell's wheel, and it demonstrates conservation of energy. Now, when I let go and remove the tape, this wheel is going to convert its gravitational potential energy into two types of kinetic energy. So the first type of kinetic energy is just translational kinetic energy. In other words, the wheel is moving from point A to point B, and there's motion in a straight line. But as it descends and translates from top to bottom, it's also rotating on its own axis. So it falls much slower than anything would in free fall. This pin is going to convert its gravitational potential energy into translational kinetic energy. And when it does so, it has a fairly large acceleration of 9.8 meters per second squared. When the wheel spends some of its potential energy on energy of rotation, then less of that initial potential energy is reserved for translation, and so it translates much slower. When it reaches the bottom, it starts winding back up. And in this case, there's very little non-conservative forces at play, so it very nearly returns to its original height. There's another video that I've posted called Danza de los Voladores, which is Dance of the Flyers in Spanish, and it's another example of an object that converts gravitational potential energy into two forms of kinetic energy as it descends.